Grade 1, which is Ashley, Hannah, and Courtney, did our presentation on 2nd grade, which is language, grammar, and mechanics. To start, we have capitalization, and there's a few categories in here. Writing a word with its first letter as a capital letter and the remaining letters in lowercase is a rule you must always follow. Another rule is when using the pronoun I, always make sure it is capitalized no matter where you find it in the sentence. An example of that is, after washing the dog, I took him for a walk. Another rule, a proper noun is a noun belonging to the class of words used as names for unique individuals, events, and places. An example of that is, Ashley attends the University of South Alabama in Mobile, Alabama. All right, next we have punctuation. The first rule is punctuation is a writing tool that helps readers understand our meaning clearly. Inside of punctuation, we have periods first. Use a period at the end of a sentence that makes a statement. And the second rule is use a period at the end of a command, and an example of that would be hand in the poster no later than Friday. The second rule is use periods for abbreviations. An example of that is Dr. Richard arrived home from vacation. The second punctuation is question marks. Use a question mark at the end of a direct question. An example of that is, what time are you leaving? And finally, we have exclamation marks. You use an exclamation mark after a sentence expressing strong feeling. An example of that would be, I can't believe you did that. All right, and now we're going to continue our presentation on the smartboard. 3.
Okay, our first sentence deals with capitalization. The sentence reads, John went to the ball game in Atlanta, Georgia. The activity is we're going to edit and rewrite the correct sentence. And Courtney is going to come and demonstrate this for you.
Okay, we have to see which ones need capitalization. The J in John, the A in Atlanta, and the G in Georgia. Okay, I just wrote a sentence using the pronoun I, and Hannah is going to come and correct the sentence and rewrite it down here.
This needs to be capitalized. So just this. This is a proper noun. So is Birmingham and Alabama. Okay, the next part of our activity is on punctuation. It's about periods, question, and exclamation marks. We have 3 sentences. The cat is black and white, question mark. Is it raining outside, exclamation mark. And I can't believe it's my birthday, period. Ashley is going to come and edit and rewrite these sentences for us.
Alright, the first sentence, the cat is black and white. This is wrong. It should read, and this sentence should have a period at the end. There you go. The next sentence, is it raining outside? This is wrong. That is a question, so it should read, and that one is a question mark. And our last sentence, I can't believe it's my birthday. That sentence expresses strong feelings, so we should have an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark.